Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the measure of trigonometric ratios sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we will go to the problem. The given statement is if cos theta is to sin theta equal to 1:2. The ratio is given. Cos theta is to sin theta ratio is 1:2. Then find the value of 8 cos theta minus 2 sin theta divided by 4 cos theta plus 2 sin theta. Right? So the ratio given, by using the ratio we need to find the value of this expression. So first we will see the ratio. Cos theta is to sin theta equal to 1:2. So this can be written as cos theta by sin theta equal to 1/2. Right? Cos theta divided by sin theta equal to 1 divided by 2. Right? You cross multiply this, you bring this sin theta in this side. So cos theta equal to 1/2 sin theta. Now multiply these two this side. So that sin theta equal to 2 cos theta. Right? So we have two expressions are available. Cos theta is 1/2 sin theta, otherwise sin theta equal to 2 cos theta. So we can use any one of this expression. We have the relation between sin theta and cos theta. Now we'll take this expression, first one. Substitute cos theta equal to 1/2 sin theta in the expression. So that everything will be converted into, cos theta will be converted into sin theta. So it is possible to simplify. Everything is sin theta, mean we can easily simplify. So that we are going to substitute cos theta equal to 1/2 times of sin theta. From the given ratio we got this value. Now we will substitute here. So while substituting, what will happen? All sin theta, cos theta will be converted in terms of sin theta. So the given expression is 8 cos theta minus 2 sin theta divided by 4 cos theta plus 2 sin theta. So that is equal to 8 into cos theta is nothing but 1/2 sin theta. So cos theta is replaced by 1/2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta. We are keeping the sin theta as it is. Divided by 4 into cos theta. Cos theta is replaced by 1/2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta. Right? Only the cos theta is replaced by 1/2 sin theta. Now see, all these terms are sin theta. Right? Here 8, here 4, 2 is there, so it will go 4 times. Here 4 and 2 is there, it will go 2 times. So that 4 sin theta divided minus 2 sin theta. Here 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta. Right? So 4 minus 2 sin theta is 2 sin theta divided by 2 plus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta is 4 sin theta. The sin theta got cancelled. So only we have 2/4. 2/4 is 1/2. Right? It got 2 times, it is 1/2. Right? So finally we got the value as 1/2. So in this problem the ratio is given. From the ratio we frame the expression, we frame the relation. Two relation we got. Cos theta equal to 1/2 sin theta. Another one, sin theta equal to 2 cos theta. We can use any one of the expression. We can substitute this any one of the expression in the given problem. So that either it will be converted into sin theta or cos theta. So we substituted cos theta in terms of sin theta. Cos theta is replaced by 1/2 sin theta. This cos theta replaced by 1/2 sin theta. This sin theta, keep it as it is. So while simplifying, everything become sin theta. So finally sin theta got cancelled. We got the value as 1/2. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.